Good morning for everyone. What's up, guys? In this moment, I'm going to explain my activity according to activity guide. My name is Jesus Javier Caicedo, and now I'm going to explain or to show my activity. I'm going to speak bilingual education in Colombia. We can see in bilingual education in Colombia the theoretical orientation. We are going to about to culture, and the teacher must be know about culture because in every word that the people live, teacher need to know about the student culture because the culture is the way that the people try to organize and try to live and try to understand the untouched thing about her life. And the identity is the part of the culture that can support that identity. And if you go to another country, if you go to Jamaican, people have a culture and identity. In this case, at the Rastaman, the identity is the dreadlock, and this is for example. I want to give an example about the topic that I speak. And human being want to try to human being and majority develop minority for a test. The music is the part of the culture, the way that the people dress and individual display, and we know that the teacher can to know about it because every teacher must be know. For example, Colombia citizen will be able to communicate to English or international cooperation standard. And I think it's very important to pay attention to the boy at this Colombian academic. Many teachers dealing with the cultural aspect of the every practice are often not very aware of the application of such aspect of their learning. And in another case, the teacher need to be sensitive to the cultural implication of what they are teaching, not only the area, the social science, but in another area, they to be able to help the student become aware of value of the different ways of the thing of the words as a brain. And finally, I am going to explain many years in Colombia there have been a little real concept about the implication of contact with another culture, teacher and parents who children to have bilingual school have to take as some of the visual culture and engagement result effectively for the contact. And I'm going to show my mind map and speak about the policy in Colombia, the implication and the inclusion, the stratification and administration power, how educate government motivation. This is important thing that the government know about the government motivation. Every government need to, education is the keys, and affirmativation in education is the way, is the key. There is no play, there is no way. Is only the education is important. That is important to the government know it. And I'm going to speak about learning foreign language in different part of the world. In Colombia, believe that the English, French, and Italy is only the foreign language, but it doesn't, because in Indian language, the minority people they speak, in the case of the Indian in Colombia, speak another country, and Colombia must be known that is not only for a language is not only English or French or Germany. It's another language that in Colombia exists. Or I'm going to a harmony with practice critical possession. There always is the topic. Okay, that is all for today. I hope the people can understand about this topic. It's very difficult to explain another things and try to speak because I don't have any speak English fluently, but I will try to do it. You know. Only I want to say thank you for watching this video. Imarego to all my people. Bless.